How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about removing elements in array. So last time we add elements in array, and now this time we're gonna remove those elements. So how are we gonna do that? Remove those old stuff and const the number equals inside that 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So in contrast, if you want to remove from the last time it was add, so it was push, but when you want to remove you can use dot pop. So what we're gonna do is just use that function. It's a function available in array. So what we're gonna do, check this out. It popped. How we gonna see that? Numbers, see, now it's 4. It's here, it's 5, and now it's 4. So let's do another thing. If we want to check that number, which number is popped, so what we're gonna do, const last equals number dot pop and log it on a console last. So yeah, we can see that it's last. So next what we're gonna do is we want to remove stuff from the beginning. So the same, we want to like check this out. So numbers dot shift is number dot shift. You're gonna see that a second. See, now you can see the first and the last is removed. And now if you want to remove from in between, so what we're gonna do is first I just comment out this lines, because either that you can't understand. Last time it was slice number dot splice. So first parameter where you want to remove, I want to remove from 2. How many you want to remove? Let's say 1. So what's gonna happen when we see that and check number out? See, 3 is removed. If you want to remove like 2, now you're gonna see that 1, 2 and 5. If you want like remove 3, what we're gonna do is see 1 and 2. So hope you understand. Hope you like, subscribe and check my other videos out. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.